Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niecy, the beauty icon, and I got my little silly niece with me doing this tutorial, so stay tuned. There's full details in this video. So we went ahead and braided her down for the foundation to make sure that her hair was locked in, and I'm going to use this Got to Be Glue gel to kind of secure her edges back so they don't get glued down with the glue. And we're doing a closure option on her hair today. And believe it or not, guys, I done had this video up in my phone for about a year. My niece has been on me about posting it, and I wasn't too sure about posting it because I didn't feel like it was up to par. So I wanted to share with you guys the different things that I think could have been better. So on the cap, I already drew out where the closure area is going to be, and I'm going to go ahead and put the Wonder Bond on her head to protect it from the glue, just to shield that little portion of her hair as well as protect it. So here's the closure. And one thing I didn't like so far was that I started using this lace tape. Y'all, the tape wouldn't even hold on the hair because I had already put the concealer on that side and it was not sticking. So I was struggling trying to get this tape to adhere. You see it came all the way off. So I'm going to try it again and put it on there. It was successful this time, but I did notice, like, under the closure when I did the parting, that you could see the tape. And I think I should have just put the tape on. I know I should have just put the tape on the edges instead of closure. I just wanted to make sure that the closure was locked in place so I can secure the edges. So there was another little hiccup that I did. But I mean, she loved her style, but y'all will see in the end. So we're going to go in with this Ghost Bond glue around her edges. Oh, and she was checking me every step of the way because she knew I wasn't too fluent on doing these closures. You know, I do them every so often, but at that time I wasn't doing often enough. So she wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing. Ain't that something? When they come to you and they make sure you know what you doing. But it was funny. I just told her to quit watching me. But anyways. So I'm securing the edges to make sure they hold. Again, when I cut the closure, I think I should have made it a little bit more jagged. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and start gluing these tracks. And it's going to be really, really simple, guys. Y'all see the pattern. I don't have to explain the pattern. We're just going to make sure that it's all filled in from this point. So of course we have filled it all in, and I'm cutting out the baby hair area, and I thinned the baby hair just a little bit, pulled it forward, and went in and started cutting the bulb, and just to thin it out a little bit so that, because she wanted it all even. So here we're just gonna remove the bulk out of it and not really take from the length and the bluntness of it. We just want to make sure that it's not bulky on the ends. Here I'm tweezing the hair, and I think I could have went a little bit more in depth with the tweezing process as well. So y'all don't come for me in the comments because I already know what flaws I have. You know how people just be trying to tell you what you should have done. I know what I should have done, but I'm just posting this one as a lesson learned. This is like I said, an old video that I was hesitant about posting, but I went ahead and posted it just to show you guys what I could have done to make it better. And so y'all see me using my 1-inch flat irons, my good old dandy, handy, trusty flat irons, and I'm just giving her some long spiral curls. Because she just wanted curly, that's all. And so we're going to play with those baby hairs. Now, them baby hairs, I think I could have did a lot better with those. I know I could have. But again, it turned out okay. think I could have cut it a little shorter and made it a little more curly on the baby hairs. So, and again, she's watching me every step of the way and telling me how to do it. And by this time, she's feeling herself a little bit. She's and now she's going to school to do hair as well. She's in college, pursuing the beauty industry, and she's been doing her frontals and frontals for other people as well, and closures. So, you know, I just liked the fact that she's taking it serious. And I like to think that I was part of that inspiration of her pursuing that. So now that we are close to the finish, the moral of this video is to make sure that you don't be afraid to try things. Some things might not turn out perfectly, but just keep at it and give it a try, because you never know how good you'll be if you never try it. So step out that box, guys. Don't stay in that box. There are so many possibilities outside the box. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit your post notification buttons for more updates, and always remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. And I'll see you guys next video.